All right, this is Tien over at Tint Pro's Platinum Auto Wraps on another What's in the Shop Wednesday. I'm going to start off right here with this Tesla Model S. We did full front end paint protection with the pillars. It's getting polished right now, and then it's going to get ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. We have another BMW here that's getting all gloss black, chrome delete, along with caliper paints. The wheels got sent out to get powder coated black. We're also doing the roof in black also on this. You guys remember this. This is an ongoing project that we have over here. We have a Tesla brand new Model Y Juniper. You can see we just finished this. This is actually Stek Prism. If you look really closer, you can kind of see the rainbow effect here. This is actually a paint protection film, so it's also called a fashion film. Also got the window tint. It's in line to get coated next. And then we have T's Auto Glass new van. They got a new van, so it's their second vehicle. They're gonna be on the road very soon. We're designing the wrap and installing it here. So we'll go into our main bay here. We have AMG GLE that we're fixing some paint protection on. We also did a tint. Actually, we're doing green caliper paint on this one, so we're gonna switch it up a little bit, get some green caliper paint on there. We also have a brand new Dodge Hornet RT that's getting full front end ceramic coating. It's already tinted. Paul here is working on a Ram 2025 Rebel, full front end paint protection. Working on that. We have a brand new Maybach in here, EQS, that we're doing the two-tone. As you can see, the bottom is gloss black. We did paint protection over that, and we actually did a matte PPF on top of here. We're about to be finished with this. We just did the taillight tint. We're not using vinyl, as you can see. This is paint protection film that's smoked. See how glossy that is? Also, we have this baby blue Bronco that we just finished the pack 3, so full front end. Some of the pillars got protected. Window tint. I gotta check out this one. 2024 Urus Performante. Custom purple paint, getting paint protection film. Window tint is already done. Wheels got sent out to get powder coated. And we have this. We actually wrapped this X6M about a month ago, but now it's back to get full paint protection on top to protect the wrap. So that's that, and then we're gonna go into our overflow bay right over here. As you see, this is my project car that I've had for 15 years. Sitting there, gets neglected. We got Sam here doing a food trailer. I just finished some decals. We have an Alpha right over there that's getting full body PPF. And then we've had this slingshot here for a while. It's getting more things installed. Model X, full matte PPF. Just kind of sitting here waiting to get picked up. This is one of my favorites that we've been working on here. We did a full matte black PPF. Window tint, all the chrome delete. We just added this body kit, lip kit here. We still got to PPF it. It's looking pretty damn good. Look at all that. We actually added the roof spoiler, trunk spoiler, taillight tint. I'll actually do another full video when this is completely done. Jet Skis is getting some new numbers, letters on there. And then we have, this is actually a buddy's, my friend's vehicle. We're doing a full front end PPF on that. Oh, this one, F450. This is getting a full body paint protection film, protecting this whole vehicle in paint protection film. And then we also have a few projects over at Nordic here. So you want to come in here. So we have a few vehicles here. This is actually our Cybertruck here that we're working on, and check out this Flash vehicle that we did a couple years ago. They're doing some more custom audio. A lot going on, but pretty cool wrap. Look at this, check out this interior. Pretty wild. But that's all we got for this Wednesday. We'll see you next time.